Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Sony HDRCX240 video camera, a renewed gem that promises to deliver crisp full HD 60p video with its 9.2MP exmor CMOS sensor. The 29.8mm wide-angle Carl Zeiss lens and 27x optical 54x clear image zoom bring you closer to the action than ever before. This lightweight camcorder boasts a 2.7-inch LCD screen, providing a clear view of your shots. The use of Memory Stick Pro for flash memory ensures reliable storage for your footage. Now, let's talk performance. The 1920 by 1080 Full HD at 60p ensures your videos are sharp and vibrant, capturing every detail. The 27x optical zoom allows you to get up close, while the clear image zoom takes it a step further, bringing distant subjects into focus without sacrificing quality. One standout feature is its renewed status. Professionally inspected and tested by Amazon-qualified suppliers, this renewed product works and looks like new. It's the result of a customer returning or trading in a new product, giving you the chance to grab a high-quality camera at a more affordable price. In conclusion, if you're on a budget but still want reliable video quality, the Sony HDRCX240 video camera is a solid choice. Stay tuned for some sample footage as we put this renewed camera to the test. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.